Learn English with Rapunzel. Let's start.
I was in a situation gallivanting through the forest when I stumbled upon a...
Gallivanting. Meaning, to go around from one place to another in the pursuit of pleasure or entertainment. Example, he spent his summer gallivanting around Europe. Stumble upon. Meaning, to find or discover something by chance. Example, while cleaning the attic, I stumbled upon an old photo album.
No, where is my satchel?
I've hidden it.
Satchel. Meaning, a bag carried on the shoulder by a long strap and typically closed by a flap. Example, she carried her books in a leather satchel.
I was being chased, I saw a tower, I climbed it, okay? And
Chased. Meaning, to pursue someone or something in order to catch or attack them. Example, the dog chased the cat up the tree.
let me get this straight.
Let me get this straight. Meaning, a phrase used to clarify or confirm understanding of something that has just been said or explained. Example, let me get this straight. You want us to finish the entire project by tomorrow, even though we just started today?
And Blondie has it.
Blondie. Meaning, a playful or affectionate term for someone with blonde hair. Example, hey, Blondie, can you pass me the pen?
Flynn! Good to see you in one piece!
Good to see you in one piece. Meaning, an expression used to show relief that someone has returned safely without any injury. Example, after hearing about the accident, it's good to see you in one piece.
Mother would be so furious if she knew I disobeyed her and left the tower.
Furious. Meaning, extremely angry. Example, she was furious when she found out that her brother had taken her car without asking. Disobeyed. Meaning, to fail or refuse to obey. Example, the soldier disobeyed orders and went into the restricted area.
I am a despicable human being.
Despicable. Meaning, deserving hatred and contempt. Example, his despicable behavior made him very unpopular among his colleagues.
Who are you?
Oh,
I told you before, my sidekicks.
sidekicks?
Sidekicks. Meaning, a close companion or colleague, usually considered subordinate to the one they accompany. Example, Batman and his sidekick Robin fight crime together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.